And let's shift and get you some news from Assam. And the NRC coordinator has moved the Supreme Court, saying that we need comprehensive re-verification of Assam NRC. They're saying that this is divisive. Citizens register could in fact be reopened. Now, NRC coordinator has claimed that fraudulent documents were used in the NRC, and that triggered trauma, suicides, charges of wrongful exclusions. An attempt to reopen Assam NRC has taken place after the BJP government returned to power in Assam.
This is a very significant development given the fact that Assam NRC is stuck in limbo for about 3 years now. In 2019 August, the final NRC was published, but the Registrar General of India is yet to notify it. So technically speaking, the Assam NRC is not final yet. And now the state coordinator of NRC, Mr. Hitesh Dev Sharma, in his recent interlocutory application at the Supreme Court, he has urged for a comprehensive time-bound re-verification of the NRC list. Critics would say that this is in a way trying to reopen the Assam NRC, and the timing of this petition is very crucial given the fact that the BJP-led government in Assam has secured a comprehensive victory once again, and Himanta Biswa Sharma, who became the chief minister recently, has also said that he is in favor of a re-verification. Remember, the state government wants a 20% re-verification in the border districts, the districts that borders Bangladesh, and 10% re-verification in other districts. Now, the state NRC coordinator in his petition have cited different instances of how fraudulent documents were used to secure names in NRC, as well as he has cited other errors. So he has pleaded that district-wise monitoring committee, which will include the district judge, the deputy commissioner of the district, and the district superintendent of police, to be part of this re-verification process. So in a way, till this point of time, the state government functionaries were only helping in terms of logistics of the NRC process, but now the state coordinator perhaps wants them to be part of the process. So this is another development, and he has pleaded that because of wrongful institution, the final NRC needs to be now looked at once again. A comprehensive re-verification is something that he's urging upon, and the Supreme Court now has to hear this petition. So it seems that the Assam NRC finalization would take more time. It's already 3 years since 2019 that people who have been rejected are waiting for their rejection slips.